Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Make sure your phone supports the carrier 5G bands and your plan includes 5G. Once done, insert the active 5G SIM, enable mobile data, and perform a quick restart to trigger network registration. Also check airplane mode, battery saver, and any data restrictions, because these system states often block new radio connections. Doing these first clears common blocks, so the deeper fixes can take effect reliably. Next, you dig into network configuration. Open the network mode selector and force 5G/4G/3G auto. If unavailable, use the phone's testing or service menu to pick NR bands. Make sure carrier settings and APN profiles match the provider. Install any pending OS or modem firmware updates because those enable new bands. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs, then re-register on the carrier network so your device negotiates fresh 5G capability with the tower. Finally, validate in a confirmed 5G coverage area and compare behavior with another 5G phone to isolate device versus network issues. Try a different, proven 5G SIM in your phone and check for service. If that shows 5G, ask your carrier to reprovision your original SIM. If you still have no 5G, collect logs or screenshots and contact carrier support to report failed NR radio registration. This is the key troubleshooting tip, because many stubborn cases require carrier-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.